Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're sharing 35 best plant care hacks and speed tutorials to keep your plants thriving. From beginners to seasoned plant enthusiasts, there's something here for everyone. Let's get started. Watering hacks. 1. Ice cubes for slow watering orchids and succulents. 2. Bottom watering for even moisture. 3. Coffee filters to stop soil leaks. 4. DIY self-watering planters. 5. Use cooking water, cooled, for added nutrients. 6. Moisture check with chopsticks. 7. Homemade drip systems from recycled bottles. 8. Fertilizing hacks. 8. Banana peel water for potassium boost. 9. Coffee grounds for acidity. 10. Eggshells for calcium-rich soil. 11. Aquarium water as nutrient-rich fertilizer. 12. Rice water to stimulate growth. 13. Compost tea from kitchen scraps. 14. Epsom salt solutions for vibrant foliage. 15. Pest control hacks. 15. Neem oil for natural pest management. 16. Cinnamon as an antifungal treatment. 17. Soap spray for aphid removal. 18. Garlic-infused water to deter pests. 19. Diatomaceous earth for insect control. 20. DIY sticky traps using petroleum jelly. 21. Essential oils, peppermint, lavender, for pest repellents. 22. Growth and health hacks. 22. Rotate plants weekly for balanced growth. 23. 23. Humidity trays for tropical plants. 24. Pebble bases to improve drainage. 25. Gentle shaking to strengthen stems. 26. Pruning for dense, healthy plants. 27. Mirrors to amplify natural light. 28. Regular soil aeration. 'Quick propagation hacks. '29. Honey or cinnamon rooting treatments. 30. Plastic humidity domes for cuttings. 31. Aloe vera gel as a rooting hormone substitute. 32. Repurpose yogurt containers for seedlings. 33. Newspaper seedling pots for sustainability. 34. Eggshell planters for seedlings. 35. Easy soil mixtures tailored for various plants. That wraps up our 35 best plant care hacks and speed tutorials. Which hack are you excited to try? Leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more gardening tips. Happy planting!